Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to give you my profits revealed from my Loreal makeup lot that I bought from VIA Trading liquidation company. So first of all, fantastic condition. This is the second box I've opened of makeup products and I have had great condition. Let me give you the numbers in the rundown. If you've watched my part 3 of this video, you saw me unbox everything and it kind of gives a closer look at what all I found in there. So both of the makeup boxes I've gotten have had 250 items in them. And so this is the 250 items and how I've got it broken down. This right here, what you see in front of you, is what I'm allowed to sell on Amazon FBA, which means sending it into the warehouse. There's a lot more things I still can sell on Amazon if I merch fulfill them, because some of the products are considered hazmat, such as nail polish, things like that. And so they don't like to store them in the warehouse. And so they don't allow them to be sent in the warehouse. So let me give you a couple of things that I found were really, really good deals for me. So lipstick, these ones here, I can sell them as a 3-pack. And so I have actually 8 sets that I can sell. They have a 288,000 sales rank. It's a pink, let me see, Lilac Ever After is the color. And I'm able to actually, on a 3-pack, make $8 a piece, okay? Amazon FBA has some of the highest fees, and that's after discounting all the fees out of there, okay? I've got a golden beige powder, which I think is this here. And I've got 3 of those, and it has a 200,000 sales rank, and I should be able to sell those for about $4.75 a piece. And then I've got a deep golden powder. It looks just like this, but it's just a different color. It's got 125,000 sales rank, and I can sell those for a profit of about $2 a piece. Then I've got these beige rollers. They're a foundation with a roller brush with them. Has 179,000 sales rank. I got 3 of them at $3.50 a piece. I've also got a concealer 2-pack. I have to sell them as a 2-pack on Amazon, and that's something you need to look into. Sometimes you can't sell it as a single, but you can sell it as a double. And that has 122,000 sales rank, which I'll make $4 a piece on. Let me see. I've got these lipsticks here. I'm going to debate whether or not I want to send these in. I have to send them in as a 2-pack, and I can only make $1 off of 2 of them. So I may just decide to lot those into an eBay lot later. And so some of them I'll make some judgment calls on. Then I have some foundation, 7 of these. I sell them 1 tube a piece. 89,000 sales rank, which is a great sales rank, but it says after fees I'll only make 50 cents. And so that's kind of a toss-up as well. I may throw into an eBay lot. I have a foundation of True Beige. I have to sell this just as a 2-pack. A foundation True Beige, 393,000, which is a high sales rank, but it is a profit of $5.50 if I can sell it. And so these are all things that Amazon is not selling, and I feel pretty confident I should be able to move. Anytime Amazon is selling it, I generally stray away from it because I'll never ever get the buy box no matter how low I put the product. So, I mean, I can make $5.50 profit on the foundation that I just showed you, this 2-pack here. But if Amazon was selling it, even if I decided to mark it down by $4 and only make like $1.50 on it, then I'm still not going to get the buy box if Amazon is selling it, because they always monopolize the buy box. So that's something to be aware of. Blush, soft peach blush is this here. I have 4 of these. This is a fantastic one. I bet I'll probably sell these as soon as they hit the warehouse. They have an 8,208 sales rank, which is awesome. $3.50 a piece is what I should make on those. And then I've got these Green Ivy eyeliners. I've got 6 of them. And then they're 162,000 sales rank, and I should make $6 a piece on them. And then I have the gold eyeliners. It has 146,000 sales rank, and I should make $3 a piece. And those I do have to sell in a 2-pack, but they come already packaged in a box. I did have 1 extra, I think, of the green, and so I actually put it over in my eBay pile, which I will show you in a minute. And I'll kind of give you an idea of what I'm going to do with that. So if I send all this into Amazon and I sell it, which I'm pretty confident that I will, because I always do these numbers at a competitive price of where I'm going to undercut the lowest seller, I should make $187.75 just from this stuff that I'm going to sell on Amazon. And as you can see, 250 items in the box. This doesn't even cut the surface of the 250. The majority of my stuff I'm gonna put on eBay and sell it various other ways. Remember, I paid $447.50, $187.75. I'm pretty confident I can get out of Amazon. Okay, so how am I gonna make up the rest of my money? Come on over here. All of this stuff, I cannot sell Amazon FBA. It doesn't mean I can't sell it on Amazon. It just means I can't sell it Amazon fulfillment by Amazon, which means I can't send it to the warehouse. Okay, what are the reasons why? There are various different reasons. Hazmat, it's considered hazmat. These things are nail polish. These were considered hazmat. And a lot of times, not always, but a lot of times the nail polish is considered hazmat simply because they don't like to store it in the warehouse. It may be climate. The warehouses are not climate controlled. And so if it gets too hot or too cold, some things they don't like to have there. So that's an option. There are some things that I wanted to share with you that I looked up. Okay, soft berry blush right here. This blush, if you notice, I had a blush over there that I'm able to send in to Amazon, which means it's not hazmat. Why can't I send this one in? Well, it's got a 35,000 sales rank, which is relatively low for makeup. But the reason I can't send it in is it's got an inventory alert on it. What does that mean? It means they already have too many there. They don't want me to send in anymore. Now, a lot of people thought inventory alerts are things with like 1 million sales rank or 2 million sales rank. They don't ever move, but that's not the case because this has a 35,000 sales rank and I can't send it in, which means there's probably a bucket load of other people who have sent them in. Now, I am ungated in the makeup, health, and beauty category, but I still can't sell mine online because everybody else has sent theirs in. There's also a few other items here that I would be able to send in, but when I looked at all the Amazon fees, I wasn't even gonna make $1 off of it. And so to me, it wasn't worth the work to send it into Amazon to maybe make 25 cents. I think I can flip it for a higher profit margin if I sell it on eBay and other avenues, which I'll talk to you about in a minute. So a lot of these also had high sales ranks, which means they were in the 700,000s. I wasn't going to move them. And most of these averaged out to be about 50 cents a piece that I could make profit-wise, just simply because Amazon has really, really high fees. If I sold it on eBay, instead of 50 cents a profit, I may end up with $2 a profit. And to me, that's worth it, okay? So some of the things that are in this stack. So I've got this purple powder eyeliner pen. I've got a bunch of those and I can sell them as 2-packs or 1-packs. And then I've got these nail polishes here. I've got lots of different shades of lipstick. I've got mascara. These are nail polishes as well. I've got some lip gloss these are a foundation powder. And so what I'm gonna do when I lay out my eBay lots is what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see, I've got a bunch of these. I'm not gonna make a lot of all this same kind, okay? What I'll probably do is take this color and this color and this color, and then I'll add it to this, and then I'll add it to this. I'll throw a nail polish in there, and it will be a huge L'Oreal lot. And I'll be able to sell it for a lot more money. I usually sell my lots auction style and let people fight over them. But what I'm planning on doing is I will make another video showing you how I lay everything out to make it very appealing for the buyers. And you also have to itemize out in your description what all they're getting. Nobody wants to roll the dice and think that they're getting their favorite shade of lipstick and because it looks like it in the picture and then all of a sudden it's the wrong color. And so if you give the exact number and the name of it, then they're usually happier buyers. But that's one thing that I plan on doing. There are other avenues that you can sell this stuff on. Facebook, garage sale websites. Garage sale people stray away from because they think garage sale is lower money, but Facebook has no fees. eBay has less fees than Amazon. Amazon has the highest fees. You can also flea market a lot of these. You cannot be a one-trick pony when being a reseller online. If I was a one-trick pony, I'd only make $187 off of my Amazon stuff. And that's a maybe, you know, but because I'm not a one-trick pony, I can sell on eBay, I can sell on Facebook sites, I can sell on at a garage sale. A lot of these things will go for $1 a piece at a garage sale, or even $2 a piece, you know, because you can't buy L'Oreal lipstick for $2 a piece in the store. You just can't. And so there's a lot of ways that you can move your product and still make money. But that gives you the breakdown of my L'Oreal box from VIA training. And remember to think outside the box. Please comment, ask me questions. I've probably sold product in every way possible that you can think of. And yes, I've even sold items at auction before. So just give me some questions and comments, and I hope this has been really helpful. But that's kind of my breakdown on my L'Oreal box. I knew a lot of it was not going to be authorized for me to sell on Amazon. I knew that ahead of time when even buying the makeup product. I was pleasantly surprised that I was able to sell just a little bit on Amazon. So it takes a little bit more work, but it's totally worth it in the long run. And this is a job. It's supposed to be work, but have fun with it. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.